sir. Apa kata kamu ikut? Yeah, welcome, sir.
Adagi dinani nanga nangi yena ne uina ne aku tu sapo yena sunjit payo Sige ako ba kaya gi tadi pabi rai no ke se ko ni se lai dui ka ni na di ke sa do sa sa se mai ko lai do ma na mangin tha na si ado no se gi pa na ni pa ni se pa ni ko no ta to na Pagi tu mungkin lagi tu mungkin saya ni di sini ada yang orang lisan diro, abang orang humjin diro, anak yang orang tu orang humjin diro, humjin diro tak semua.
And before you today for the ritual inauguration of the His Excellency President and Peace Laureate Jose Ramos Horta International Peace Center, a landmark initiative dedicated to the noble idea of peace, reconciliation, and cooperation between Manipur, India, and Timor Leste. This center bears the name of His Excellency Mr. President and Peace Laureate Jose Ramos Horta, a true champion of peace and reconciliation, a Nobel laureate and one of the founding architects of Timor Leste independence. His lifelong struggle, his unwavering belief in dialogue over conflict, and his relentless efforts in rebuilding a war-torn nation make him a global symbol of peace. This center, dedicated in his honor, will serve as a beacon of hope and a platform of sharing experience in peaceful.
I'm here in Loktakli, guys. Oh, copy guys. In Loktakli. Hi. So pretty. Yeah. It's so damn pretty. Like a whole.
My shoes, wait. No.
Shoes lang isin. It's so pretty. Hi, sir. Hello. I can see you, yeah, but Funny. Katro. Ini sudah potong ya. Yeah, it's like really windy right now. So yeah.
Awesome weather.